I'm packing orders. And Lori here got a little bit of everything. So let's see what she got. It's a lot. So we're starting off with a layer of biodegradable peanuts. She got one of my sprays. It's got crystals, herbs, oils, and Reiki in them. Good energetic sprays, and I've got several different intentions. But starting off strong. She also got a Clarity card diffuser for me. These are made with only clean fragrances. They're non-toxic, DPG free. They also have herbs, crystals, and Reiki in them. And this one is peppermint eucalyptus. And it's really good for mental focus, spiritual focus, clear messages from spirit. In the box. She got one of my prosperity ritual salts. This has 4 different salts in it, herbs, oils, and Reiki. There's also a citrine crystal inside of every single one of the prosperity bags. But you can use them many different ways. Most popular way is like in money bowls and rituals and as an incense holder. And all of my ritual salts I package with a little bag, just in case you want to do anything with a little sachet. Gold because riches. Let's put in another layer of packing peanuts. All right. She also got 2 of my relief ritual salts. This one has clear quartz in every single bag. This is anytime you need any kind of relief, emotional, physical, spiritual. This is it if you need relief. Very eucalyptus heavy. Let's do white bags for peace this time. She also got a protection wax melts. These wax melts, same, non-toxic, soy, vegan, clean fragrances only, no chemicals on Prop 65, herbs, crystals, and Reiki. Protection is good to protect your space, your home. 2 more ritual salts for Lori here. She got Enlighten this time. Enlighten is good for meditating, journaling, rituals, whenever you're divining. It's good for spiritual awakenings. So also Reiki, herbs, oils, and this one has quartz crystal in every single bag. Purple for that crown chakra. And a little crystal grid. My husband makes these. A little vintage goodie. And more packing peanuts to make sure everything is as snug as a bug in a rug. So much, Lori. And if you want your own, you can get it all in my TikTok shop right there. Bye.